Timing synchronization is everything, especially when it comes to 5G networks. Without it, you can't get the speed you need. If you rely on a GNSS or GPS signal, your 5G service is prone to synchronization delays and disruption, particularly at the network edge, where GPS is weak or unavailable. But GPS is not the only solution. STL from Satelles is able to penetrate buildings to indoor antennas. STL signals are 1,000 times more powerful than GPS, with a timing accuracy within 100 nanoseconds of UTC. STL signals are also resilient to the disruption and manipulation that continue to plague GPS. And they work indoors. STL can be integrated directly into small cell or RAN gear, or utilized via a standalone receiver, requiring just a small, easy-to-install indoor antenna. This gives wireless operators the timing synchronization required to deliver 5G smoothly, indoors and outdoors, even in urban canyons, and available worldwide today. Inside, outside, worldwide. Get the timing synchronization you need to achieve 5G speed where GPS can't reach or isn't available with STL from Satelles. Visit our website today to learn how STL powers 5G.